Hey everyone, welcome back to Caster Repair. Today, I'm going to show you how to keep all your iCloud photos safe before canceling your iCloud subscription. A lot of people worry about losing their pictures when they downgrade or cancel. But don't worry, if you follow these steps, you won't lose a single memory. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of my future Apple tips and tricks. Here's how it works. When you cancel iCloud Plus, Apple gives you 30 days to download all your data. This includes your iCloud Drive, files, notes, voice memos, messages, and of course, your iCloud photos. If you don't act within those 30 days, your photos could be deleted, so timing is everything. The first method is the easiest one. If you have enough space on your iPhone or Mac, you can just download and keep the original photos directly on your device. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, then Photos. Choose Download and Keep Originals, and tap Sync Now to start downloading. On your Mac, open the Photos app, go to Photos, then Settings, then iCloud, and check the box for Download Originals to this Mac. This will start pulling all your full-resolution photos and videos onto your device. Just keep in mind that it could take up a lot of space if your library is large. Now, what if your device doesn't have enough storage? In that case, you can download your photos from the iCloud website. Go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Head over to the Photos section, select the pictures you want, then click More, Download Options, and choose Unmodified Originals. Keep in mind that you can only download up to 1,000 photos at a time. So if you have a huge library, you'll need to do it in batches. They'll be saved in your Downloads folder on your Mac or PC. There's also a third option if you want something more advanced and flexible, and that's using a third-party app like PhotoXifer on your Mac. After installing it, give it full disk access under System Settings, then Privacy and Security. Open the app, go to the Photo Library tab, and filter for undownloaded iCloud photos. Select the ones you want, then click Quick Action, and choose Download Full-Resolution iCloud Photos. The nice thing about this method is that you can even set the app to save your photos directly to an external hard drive, which is super helpful if your Mac doesn't have much storage space. So to recap, if you have enough space, just download and keep originals on your iPhone or Mac. If you don't, use iCloud.com to download them in batches. Or, for a more advanced solution, use PhotoXifer to download everything, even to an external drive. That way you'll have all your photos safe before canceling your iCloud subscription, and you won't lose those priceless memories. All links of apps and software mentioned in this video will be in the description below. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you're planning to cancel iCloud Plus or if you're just looking for a backup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Caster Repair video.